Hello and welcome. In this short video I show you how to adjust the trend rider and style it the way you want it. So once you have the trend rider available in your Tradingview, and there's a link under this video to the trend rider, you just go to indicators, you go to invite only script, and then you have those two entries. You just click on this one and then this one, and then here it is. But people would often like to use it in the dark theme or just change the settings a little bit. So how do you do that? So first I need to adjust this a little bit so that we can actually see everything. And if you want to change the dark theme, the first thing you want to do is right click on your charts anywhere, and then you go to colors theme, and then you set it to dark. This doesn't look too nice right now, so we need to make some adjustments. For that, here you can barely see it, Trend Rider Chart Study. So you click on the settings here, and then this will open up. I need to move my screen a little bit because we need to get to the lower parts. So here under background color, we first have to take out the color number 2. This is quite easy. We just click on it and then you set it to opacity 0. Then you can see now we see the background color. Now we also want to change the red and the green a little bit. Again, click on the settings, and then here color 1 we can set the opacity to something like 35, 30, whatever you think is nice for you. And then we also do that for color 1, which is the green background color. So yeah, this is now 35 as well. And you can see it does look much better now already. And you can start using it. There's also the question, how do we adjust the line? Because that's also something that people would like to change. We have to click on settings again. And the line, those are the settings here. So if you want to take it off, you can just untick this one and untick this one. And then those are completely turned off. If you want to make it thicker, you can go inside here, and then here at the bottom, this is already the thickest one, and you can adjust the thickness the way you want it. Then I will move it into the frame. There is an area called inputs, and you can offset the pips. So if you want the color to be a little, the line a little bit further away, you can just, for example, put in 30, and then you can see the line will separate itself a little bit from the price candle, so it doesn't overlay each other. So you can play around with that as well. And that's basically how you adjust the trend rider. Of course, sometimes the charts will get distorted, and some people don't like to use this blue channel color. And again, you can do that. Go to settings, go to style, and upper band, lower band. You can disable them, you can turn them on. The same goes with the dots that are above and below the price. And then you can completely style it the way you want it. Add things, change the color settings, and then make the trend rider your own. And also one nice thing is that you can then go to settings, and I need to move this again. And then you can, here at the bottom, one sec, you can go to defaults, and then you can save it as a default theme as well. And then you can apply the setting in future as well to other charts, and that makes using the theme much easier. And that's how you use the trend rider and adjust it.